Welcome back. This is an Aleks study video on identifying oxidized and reduced reactants in a single displacement reaction. So if you remember anything that we've done previously, you know that anything that has gained electrons has been reduced, its charge is dropping. Anything that's had electrons stolen from it is oxidized and its charge has increased. So you're looking at each side from the reactant side to the product side, what has happened to the various elements, and whatever reactant. So this would be a full reactant, not the 3, but the silver nitrate would be a full reactant. The aluminum would be a full reactant, and one of them will be oxidized, one will be reduced. I think all of these are redox reactions. Okay. All right, so let's look at the first one. Silver, now ignore the 3, that's a balanced equation, so we're just looking at silver nitrate. Nitrate is -1, silver is +1. Okay, silver is +1. Silver here is by itself. This is just metallic silver, and anything where it's just by itself is 0. So it's gone from +1 to 0. Well, that's reduced. Okay, so the reactant's reduced. It's the silver has been reduced, but what reactant has the silver in it? That's what's asking for. The reactant's reduced. Is it going to be the silver nitrate? Okay, it's reduced. What is going to be gained? Well, let's see. I bet you it's the aluminum. We've got aluminum here as a metal. Here we've got 3 -1s because NO3 is -1. I've got 3 of them, so that's -1. This aluminum then has to be +3. The aluminum is going from 0 to +3, so that's oxidation. So go back to where the aluminum is in. It's by itself. So the aluminum is what's oxidized. Okay. All right, the next one. We have iron by itself is 0. So go over here. Chlorine is in group 7, so that's -1. There's 3 -1s. So I'm ignoring the 2. 3 -1, so that's -3 on this side. That has to be +3 on this side. So the iron is going from a 0 to +3. That's oxidation. So which ones are oxidized? It has to be the iron. Right, so I just look here and it's Fe by itself, so I write down Fe. Don't worry about the 2. Okay. The other one will be reduced. Okay. I bet you it's the copper because I've got copper here by itself. That's 0. What's the copper here? Chlorine is in group 7, so it's -1. There's 2 -1s, so that's -2 on this side, +2 on this side, so this is copper 2. So it's going from 2 to 0. That's reduction. So I'm going to go back to this side. What has the copper in it? It's the copper 2 chloride. In the third one, I've got lead by itself, that's 0. I've got mercury by itself, that's 0. The mercury here is, nitrate is -1, there's 2, so this is -2, so this is +2. And the lead over here, this is -1, I've got 2, so this is +2. So the lead goes from 0 to +2. So that's oxidation. So I come back over here, it's just lead, Pb. The mercury is from 2 down to 0. That's reduction. So I do the entire thing, mercury nitrate, NO3, subscript 2. All right, how are you doing at this?